Hey guys, welcome to our channel. If DaVinci Resolve 19 or 18 or 20 version is not opening on your Windows 11, then this video is for you. Actually, this issue caused for your graphics driver, so you have to check for the update if your graphics driver have any update. So make sure that you have updated your graphics driver to the latest version. So you have to simply click on this window icon here, then search for device manager. Simply search for device manager and simply click on it, and from here let me show you, you can find the display adapter. You can simply expand that section here, and here you'll find two type of graphics card. If you have any dedicated graphics card, then you can find it, and otherwise you can find a inbuilt graphics card with your CPU. So make sure that your primary GPU, click on it and right click on that, and you'll find update driver. Simply you will find the first option is for automatically search for the updated driver, and if you have a driver already on your file manager, then you can browse in your computer and then you can manually update it. So I'm going to search for the latest one. So right now I have the base driver for my device that already installed on my device. So if there's an update, so make sure that you have updated it, and then you can try to open DaVinci Resolve on your system. Now hopefully that problem is solved now. Thanks for watching. Till next time.